Good morning, dear children. So, dear children, I hope you all are fit and fine at your home and learning well, and your concepts are getting clear day by day. So, dear children, today we are moving to chapter number 10, time, because after chapter number 7, chapter number 10 is in your half yearly course. So that is why we are directly moving to chapter number 10. And I have already given you syllabus of half yearly, that after chapter number 7, chapter number 10 is in your course, that is time. Okay. So today we will only have a general introduction about time. Children, time is very important factor in our lives. Time plays an important role. We need to be punctual, we need to be disciplined, and for that we need time. Okay, we should know how to tell the time, how to measure the time. Okay, for that we need some knowledge about time. Okay, so in this topic today we will be discussing some general and some basic points about time. So generally we use a clock to measure the time. Okay, so a clock looks like this, and there are 3 hands of a clock. There are 3 hands of a clock. The short hand is called hour hand. The short hand is called hour hand. The long hand is called minute hand. Okay, and the third one is called second hand. The hour hand shows time in hours. The minute hand shows what minute it is. The second time shows time in seconds. Okay, so there are mainly 3 hands of a clock: hour hand, minute hand, and second hand. But there are only 2 hands that are in your course that you have to learn about, that are hour hand and minute hand. Okay, these 2 hands are there in your book and you have to learn about them, hour hand and minute hand. You can see normally a clock looks like this. Okay, it has some divisions. The main divisions are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. The clock is divided into 12 parts, and these have subdivisions. These have 5 subdivisions. Okay, these subdivisions are minutes. These subdivisions are minutes. We have to start from here, okay, and we have to count these subdivisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. The gap is of 5, 10 and 15. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, then 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60. How many subdivisions are there? 60. Okay. So it means there are 60 minutes round the clock. Okay, there are 60 minutes round the clock. Okay, and whenever we tell the time, we use these subdivisions to tell the minutes. We use subdivisions to tell the minutes. For example, if it is 1:10, so 1 will be hour, the main division, and 10 will be the subdivision. Okay, it will be like this: 1, 10. Okay, 1 will be the short hand, that is hour hand, that is main division, and 2 is long hand, that is minute hand, and we have to use the subdivision to tell the time. We cannot write it as 1, 2. This is wrong. We have to use subdivisions to tell the minutes. Okay, 110, 115, 120, 125, 130, 135, 140, 145, 150, 155, and then 160? No. 160 is wrong. After 155, the hour will change. Okay, then it will be 2 o'clock. Okay, after 155, the hour hand changes to the next number. After 1, it will be 2 o'clock. Okay. Now this is hour hand. Then when this hour hand will move once round the clock. Okay, when this hour hand will move once round the clock, it is 12 hours. Okay, it means 12 hours have passed. When this hour hand will move from its initial point 1 and it will again reach to 1. Then only 12 hours have passed. Then if again after reaching to 1, it will again move back to 1. Then 24 hours have passed now. Now 24 hours have passed. If it moves once, 12 hours have passed. If it moves twice, 24 hours have passed. Okay, starting from 1 and coming back to 1, 12 hours, then again moving back to 1, 24 hours. This is minute hand. This is a long hand. This is a minute hand. And when if this minute hand moves round the clock once, then 1 hour has passed. Okay, then 1 hour has passed. जब मिनट वाली सुई एक चक्कर लगाएगी घड़ी के तो 1 घंटा हो जाएगा. ओके, एंड व्हेन द आवर हैंड विल मूव वंस, एक बार जब आवर हैंड छोटी वाली घड़ी जब एक बार वापस उसी जगह पे आएगी तो 12 घंटे, और दोबारा वहीं से शुरू करके फिर से वहीं पे आएगी तो देन इट विल बी 24 आवर्स. ओके, we all know that one day is equal to 24 hours. Okay, एक दिन में 24 hours होते हैं. But how we can calculate that one day has 24 hours? So let us take this example. It is 6 o'clock in morning. Okay, it is 6 o'clock in morning. Suppose take it 6 o'clock of this morning, of today's morning. Okay, now 6 o'clock in evening of today day, let's take 6 o'clock or in the evening. So how many hours have passed? 12 hours have passed. Okay, from 6 o'clock in the morning to the 6 o'clock in the evening, 12 hours have passed. Now 6 o'clock in the evening to the 6 o'clock in the morning of the next day, tomorrow, how many hours have passed from evening to morning? 12 hours have passed. Okay, now 12 hours plus 12 hours, that is equal to 24 hours. It means 6 o'clock in the morning of today to the 6 o'clock in the morning of the next day, then it will complete one day. Okay, that will be of 24 hours. But it is necessary, it is not necessary to only take 6 o'clock in the morning. You can also take any time you can take. You can also write 2 o'clock in the noon to 2 o'clock in the noon of the next day. Then only it will be 24 hours. 10 o'clock in the morning of today to the 10 o'clock in the morning of the next day, then also it will be 24 hours. Okay, so this is how we calculate 24 hours in a day. So it is not necessary that only numericals will be written on the clock. it can also be written in the form of numerals. Okay, the clock can also be in the form of Roman numerals. Okay, so the time can be told into two ways. Okay, when the minute hand, where is the minute hand among these two? Yes, this is the minute hand because it is the longest one. Okay, now this minute hand, when it will be before 6, when it will be before 6, then we have to use minutes past. What we have to use? Minutes past. Okay, so how we have to write the time according to the first point? Minutes past. Okay, first we have to write the minutes. First we have to write minutes. So we have to use subdivisions for writing minutes. Okay, we have to use subdivisions for writing minutes. So 5 minutes. We will not say 1 minute. We will say 5 minutes. So write 5 minutes past the hour hand. Okay, 8. 5 minutes past 8. According to first point, if the minute hand will be before 6, so we have to use minutes past. Okay, first we have to write the minutes, that is 5 minutes. Then we have to write the hour hand and is at which number? That is 8. 5 minutes past 8. If it was at 2, then you have to write 10 minutes past 8. Now 15 minutes past 8. Now 20 minutes past 8. Now 25 minutes past 8. Okay. Now according to second point, if the minute hand will be after 6. If the minute hand will be after 6. This is the minute hand here. So if it will be after 6, so we have to use minutes 2. We have to use minutes 2. For this, we have to look that from 10 to 12, how many minutes are there? From 10 to 12, how many minutes are there? We have to start with 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 5, 10. Okay, 10 minutes are there. So we have to write here 10 minutes to 3. 10 minutes to 3. Why I have written it? Because if we say it in Hindi, इसका मतलब होता है 3 बजने के लिए 10 मिनट है. हम ये भी कहते हैं 3 बजने के लिए 10 मिनट है. ओके, from here you have to start 5, 10 minutes. Okay, you have to look how many minutes are there. Okay, so you have to say 10 minutes to 3 to the next number. Okay, if you will be given 250. Okay, it is 250. Normally we write it 250. But if you are given to write it according to the second point, if the minute hand will be after 6, so you have to write it in minutes too. So what you will write? 10 minutes to 3. Okay, you can write it in this form also. What if the minute hand is at 8? Then you will start counting from 8. 5, 10, 15, 20. So what you will write here? 20 minutes to 3. Okay. If it will be at 7, so you have to start from 7. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Then it will be 25 minutes to 3. So in this way we can write the time, or we can tell the time in this way also. Okay, minutes past or minutes to. Okay, we can write it. Minutes past means जब 8:05 टाइम हो चुका है. ओके, एंड इफ मिनट्स 2 का यूज करते हैं जब बजने के लिए हैं 3 बजने के लिए 20 मिनट, 3 बजने के लिए 25 मिनट. So we write say it like this. When we write it, we will say 25 minutes to 3. Okay. So So I hope children you must have understood the introduction or the basic points about time. So after this I will be sending you photo of exercise 10.1 that you have to do in your book and copy as well. Okay.